We are gathered here today to celebrate one of life's greatest moments, the joining of two hearts. Today we have come together to witness the joining of these two lives. For them, out of the routine of ordinary life, the extraordinary has happened. They met each other, fell in love, and are finalizing it with their wedding today.
What stands out most is that Sarah's always been a kind and loving daughter and sister. She's grown to be an amazing woman. We are very proud of our daughter, and she'll always bring these qualities to her marriage. I have to say I feel lucky and proud to be a father-in-law to Brian. Brian's a very thoughtful and respectful man, and best of all, he loves my daughter and treats her like a princess.
The day is finally here that I get to marry the love of my life. I knew from the moment that we met there was something special about you. I never thought that I could love somebody as much as I love you. I count my blessings for every day that I have you in my life. I love you more than words can express.
By the power vested in me by the state of California, I now pronounce you husband and wife.
The two of you guys are just a perfect match. I love you both so much, and you guys complement each other so well.
Continue doing what you're doing. Encourage, respect, and support one another. Take chances, go on adventures, and finally always remember this amazing day and the love that brought you here.